Welcome to my channel about visiting robotics and embedded systems. This video is focused on my, well, whatever you call it, Raspberry Pi 2, Arduino Mega2560. And this is a combination I haven't tried before. Raspberry in combination with the Arduino, and yet they are operating on the same voltages, 3.3 volts and 5 volts. They can both do electronics, although this one is more capable and more suitable to do that. So that's what I want to try. Communicate between both and see how things work. And this may just be a one-off video or resulting in series. Anyway, to show anything, I now switch to screencast to show whatever I can. Screencast then, Raspberry Pi 2 via IP6 and via Minicom terminal, serial. Then Arduino, and by the way, this is the Raspberry Pi and this is the Arduino 2560. So what options are there to connect them? Well, first of all, not this code is from the previous experiment. So what I have to do here first is get rid of everything in the loop. And which is this. Then save as. Let's call this 5. Yeah, let's do that. And we have a new program which is not doing anything so far. This has to change as well. Then also the Raspberry Pi. When I list this, it is programmed in Python. Usually it can be programmed in C as well. But the main thing is, can I communicate with between both of them? And I have this cable. It says VCC, but it is from an old power line. And when I go right here, I can put it on that extension interface, but I first have to make sure that I connect it to a right pin. Then there's still the breadboard, so I can use that and then feed back to the board. Is that use? Yes, because I can then write code to read here. So send from here, read from here. And then eventually do some data acquisition if I would like to. But first, connect the boards in some way. Let's first find out which pins are suitable for it. So with a wire connected to the Raspberry Pi, trying to get it to work with a little circuit, but some power issues, power questions. I have to continue this next time. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel, give the video a thumbs up, click the bell for notification. You can support via Patreon, Ko-fi and via PayPal. Please do so. And well, please check also my website, which is listed under this video. For now, have a great day, stay safe, take care, bye.